Oh, hey guys, welcome to another video from the Parrott Bros. Today I've come down to Bouncers. Now I met Jay from Bouncers at Caffeine in the Machine because he has a TT Mark 1, which is outside, which we'll go and have a look at in a minute, of course. And he runs and owns Bouncers Detailing. He has a wide range of products, as you can see behind me. I tried a few, and now they are kind of my go-to product. Between themselves and Juicy, you'll find that there's certain products that companies do, and you'll just love them. You won't go away from them because it's fine. It doesn't matter. You can have one product from each different company, but there's a few things from here that I absolutely love. All of his products are made in-house in this warehouse where we're sitting today. All his own recipes, all custom made and made over years and years and perfected. And I just wanted to show you some of the products that I've used and that I recommend and that I've come to buy today to take away with me. And just to sort of show you, we'll also go out onto the car and we'll do a little demo as well. Why not, eh? So starting from the bottom, all of these have really funny names or sort of like a play on words, which is quite interesting. It's all white is their snow foam. It's not super thick, but then if you're spraying it on and it's going really thick, only the first little bits touching the car, all the bit hanging off isn't actually doing anything, but really good snow foam. You only have to mix a little bit into the bottom of your bottle of water, top up with water, and then snow foam it on. So it's all white snow foam. The Tyre Dressing, which is called Dress to Impress. Again, little brush. I use this in I have a mug, one of my partner's favourite ones, which has vanished and she doesn't know where. Little bit of this in there, and a little sash, a little round brush or a little 2-inch paintbrush. And then it just allows you to get in all the sort of the nooks and crannies without having to actually get it on your wheel. And then you can either leave it on a little bit thick, so you've got that really dripping wet look, or you can get a cloth and just gently wipe it off, and then you get that sort of satiny gloss, which again I'll show you outside because we've done one. You've got Slick Mick, which is your soap. Really good for anything, whether your car's ceramic coated, got waxes on, whether it's never been washed before. Perfectly good. You only need a little dollop, load of water, little jet wash, just foam it up. Good to go. This product, I actually used this on my mother-in-law's Mark II TT, if you're watching, which she's not. But yeah, on her Mark II, which we bought and she's not washed for a year. And this is bead juice. You literally just panel by panel, a little spray, and then jet wash off once you've finished washing. And this literally makes it look like you've just ceramic coated the car. The beading on it is ridiculous. And even the next day, it rained. I've looked out the window, and obviously you've got my S4, which is ceramic coated and everything. Nice bead on it. We all get that little Instagram photo with a bead. Looked over onto her TT, and it looked exactly the same. And I know for a fact that I've only washed it once, and I use this stuff. This is great, especially for the winter. It's raining, it's cold, it stops raining for 5 minutes. You run outside, quick jet wash, snow foam, you give it a quick wash, and then you want to wax it, but the weather looks like you might not be able to. So just a little pump of this on each panel, jet wash it off. You can either dry it or you can leave it. It's entirely up to you, but obviously if it's going to rain, it doesn't matter too much. But quick dry off, and this is a lovely little product. It lasts a while as well, so really good. You can also, it's like a sealer, exterior sealer, so it will last some time, and obviously if you put layers on. But really easy product to use. Going up onto my top shelf now, we've got Look Sharp, which I'm sure you can guess is a glass cleaner. Really good glass cleaner, no streaks. If your windows are really bad inside, little trick is to do them once and then flip the cloth and just give them another little second polish just to get them perfect, especially if you smoke or vape or use your aircon a lot because it puts like a film on the window. I've noticed a lot of times people have complained about window cleaners just because your windows are so dirty that when you wash them once, it's not quite enough. But yeah, really good glass cleaner, real good cleaning agent. You've got two products which are called the same thing but look different. So you've got Done and Dusted, which I'm guessing you can imagine what they're for. Both are effectively like a finishing spray. The green one, Done and Dusted, is like an all-purpose WD-40. You can use on anything. You can use it interior, exterior, glass, plastics, trim, anything. And it gives it a real nice glass, real shine, real deep glass. And this is my kind of go-to product if the car's been in the garage or I've washed it and then the next day we're going to a show and I just want to give it a quick pump, make it look like I've just waxed it, you know, just before you go to a show, make it look bang on. And then you've got the black one, which is crazy slick. Like, I'll show you in a minute. You literally wash the car, maybe use your bead juice, this stuff. is like you've just waxed it, just ceramic coated. It's so slippery. Literally just like if you leave a cloth on it, it'll just slide straight off. It beads, it lasts, it seals it. It's a wicked product. I mean, I've used this on a couple of people's cars. If you come to Audi's in the park and you said my car was really clean, I cheated and used this. The paint is awful, but this makes it look really nice. Super glossy, super slick feeling to the touch. Makes it feel like you've literally just machine polished it and waxed it. And if you've tried this, drop in the comments, let us know what you think. I know a few of you have from my picture on Instagram with the reflection that this thing gives is phenomenal. And they're my go-to products. But this one is, yeah, literally, you got the car out of the garage, a little bit dusty, but it's clean. Almost like a waterless wash, just like it's a quick detailer. But it's good for inside, outside, windows, glass, plastic, rubber, anything you want to spray on, it doesn't matter. Whereas other ones, obviously this is made specifically for outside. This one, you can get it on anything. So if you just want to have a quick dust up, get it real nice, glossy looking, this is the one. Now I think we need to get outside and show you, don't we? Oh, and before we move on to the outside and I show you some of the products, just remember DOM, DOM, capital letters, 15. You get 15% off anything on their website from watching it on the Parrott Bros. Right, let's jump into it. Just to prove that my car is not clean, right? Hopefully you can hear this. Sounds like sandpaper. And that is probably because I don't think I've washed this since Audi's in the park. It's clean. The wheels are not clean, but the car is clean. It's been in the garage, it was sunny and whatever. So we'll go on the green one. I'll tell you what, let's do the black one. Let's do on the black one. It's clean enough. And literally just with this, just a few little pumps, rear light, whatever you want. And this one, you have to give it a good sort of rub in, and then you just give it a little dust off with a cloth just to get any excess, I found, just to get that perfect shine. Literally just pushing it around a little bit. The only thing you have to be careful is you just don't drop the cloth, because it will literally just falls off. It's really silky, and I mean to the feel now. Lovely, nice and smooth, real silky feeling. The car could do with a clay bar because it's a little bit spotty, but it's lovely and silkily smooth. The green one, again, will do exactly the same thing. You can use this on the windows, and this one is just a one wipe. You don't have to go over it a second time. They're really nice. What else can we do? Do anything in it? Exhaust trims, give them a little shine up. Because I polished these the other day with my polishing ball. Even getting the dust off of this. Lovely jubbly, look at that, look. Number plate, the lot. But yeah, this one is just a really nice sort of an all-you-can-use. I'm trying to say, I feel sound like a salesman now, don't I? But it just, literally just anything, little spray up. I'm gonna end up washing my old car now. But yeah, I love this stuff. This stuff, really easy to use. Goes everywhere. And the thing is, I keep one of these in the back of my car at all times anyway. Because if a bird craps on it, or you get a bit of crap, or you're going somewhere and you're like, suddenly everyone's like giving your car a little bit of a look, you're like, is it right in it? Yeah, 20-year-old, 195,000 miles. But yeah, they're the two products. But yeah, honestly, that black one, once you've washed it, it'll make it look like you've literally just waxed it, which for me saves me a lot of time and is a lot easier to use. The old Dress to Impress, I'll show you that on Jay's car because his tyres are dirtier than mine. Just to prove that we can. Right, let me get the old tilted down. I'll tell you what, let's do a little 50. I love a 50-50. Let's do a 50-50. So if you're being observant, Quattro Sport replica wheels, really nice looking. They've done like they got like a shiny silver. They're dirty wheels, and he was moaning and telling me not to show them, but whose wheels are clean all the time, eh? But this stuff, it's got a similar consistency to the Maguire's one. That's why I like it, because it's thick. It doesn't run everywhere. You put it on a brush, it doesn't all just end up on the floor in a puddle because it's like water. So it's got quite a nice consistency, and it just goes on really easy. Especially if you've got like, oh, what's the tyres on my S4? PS4s, because they're wicked. They have that sort of velvety side. Get a ropey old cloth. That's the ropey one, yeah. And then literally, so you got the wet look, and it won't flick, as long as you don't obviously pour it on with a thing. And you can literally just wipe the excess off, so you're definitely not going to get any flick, and it doesn't look soaking wet like you've just been in a puddle. And also what I do is normally just get my thumb on the edge of the cloth and just tuck that between the wheel and the tyre, so you get that horrible little bead on the inside there, get that all nice and lovely as well. Try not to put this cloth anywhere where it's going to get everything else dirty. Let me just take you off there and show you. This stuff's pucker. Look at that, look. How's that for a 50-50? It's got the old focus on a crazy one here, look. There we go, look at that, look. And it just doesn't, look at that, look, it's dry. It's wicked. This stuff is so good. And for it's similar price to everything else, they're all the same, aren't they, price-wise, but I just like the fact that it just doesn't, just trying to measure my finger, the old crazy focus, but yeah, it just doesn't come off. It's a really good product. I mean, most of the time, you know as well as I do, as soon as you put the old tyre stuff on, it goes flipping everywhere. So let's have a look at his Roadster quick. Like the number plate, love a slow plate. This is a really nice clean example. It's done some miles, I think it's done 160,000. He's got front mud flaps, extra 100 quid there. I'll give you a better look. Everyone loves a good look round both. Walk back into the middle of this car park here. There you go, TT parking. But yeah, hopefully this didn't come across too much as a sales pitch, because at the end of the day, they're not my products, I don't get paid for them. I just wanted to show you what I use, because everyone's always talking about a cleaning video. We are going to do, I'll do a good winter deep clean, we'll do a clay, we'll do a machine polish how I do it, and then I'll let all the internet people tell me I'm doing it wrong, as always. But I just wanted to show you the products I use, because these are easy, you can't get them wrong. I mean, this green one, literally, I use it on everything. It helps if I don't auto-lock my car, because the flipping thingies, the micro switch has gone on the driver's side, typical. That'll be another job soon for us. But yeah, just literally this stuff, wiping the dust off the trims, literally anything, you can use it on anything at all, and that's why I get through it so much, because I do use it on anything. I even use it on the leather just to get rid of the marks on my steering wheel, all sorts. Even these trims with the old TT on them, I don't know what it is about people that get in the car, but they feel the need to like get in and just drag their foot across it, you know what I mean? But yeah, just wanted to show you guys these products. I mean, I love them. Maybe get one, try one for yourself. If you're not sure, pick up one bottle, give it a go, and then tell me you don't like it. I'm waiting. Anyway, guys, till the next one, bye for now.